In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to transfer ownership of files and folders in Google Drive step by step. Whether you're handing off a project or managing team access, this guide will help you do it quickly and correctly. First, select the folder you want to give access to. Right-click on it and choose Share. After selecting Share, a sharing window will appear. Enter the email address of the person you want to give access to and choose the appropriate permission level: viewer, commenter, or editor. Once you've added the email and selected the access level, click Send to grant access. Right after sending the invite, right-click on the folder you shared and select Folder Information. Then click on Details to view the folder settings and ownership information. And then click Manage Access. After clicking Manage Access, find the email address you invited. On the right side, click the drop-down icon next to their name and select Transfer Ownership. After selecting Transfer Ownership, click Send Invitation to notify the new owner. Once the invitation is sent, click Done to finish the process. And just like that, you've successfully transferred ownership using this method. Once the new owner accepts the invitation, they will have full control over the folder, including managing permissions and sharing settings. Make sure the transfer is accepted to complete the process fully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.